In sub-Saharan Africa, the simple act of cooking is bankrupting families, damaging their health, and destroying forests. In 2011, our team set out to achieve one simple thing: to save lives and forests by revolutionizing the global cook stove sector.
I enjoy cooking with it because it is faster, the food have taste. You don't have to prepare cereals, do what, it is direct. You don't have to soak them. Before I used to cook with charcoal, it was tearing, wastage of time, a lot of smoke, wastage of money, because I used around 2,000 per week, a bag of charcoal, and nowadays I use the electric pressure cooker. I use around 500 per week, which is more cheaper than charcoal.
A friend of me introduced me to induction cooker, so it is a very good cooker. It is electric one. I used to use 2 tins per day, which is 14 tins a week, which is 980 shillings per week. But now I have to use units worth of 300 shillings, which I'm saving 680 shillings per week. It has also a child's lock, which you can lock it so that, like my son, if he comes around it, I won't have to worry.
When the steam builds up, it cannot unlock unless the steam is out, all of it. It has saved me a lot of money. I've added customer base because I've added more time on my shop. I used to close at around 7:30, now I close at 9. So it has brought me a lot of customers, knowing that even if I close at 9, I will still come and cook what I want to cook.
If you have not met induction cooker, you should purchase one.
It doesn't have smoke, it cooks faster, the food have taste. So I prefer electric pressure cooker more than charcoal. It's a good product, excellent in fact.